Okay, so the Bluetooth audio is connected. I'm using the Gopro wireless one. The one transmitter only goes through Bluetooth, but this is kind of like what I wanted. It's a little windy. I have the windscreen on. It's under my shirt either way. But I noticed that it looks like I always sound low compared to my other mics when talking with it so far. So I just wanted to see how good it sounds when I walk, probably like a block. Yeah, about a block should do. I think the noise reduction is off. I'll look at my shirt in a second. Let me look right now. Yeah, it's off. And it's facing straight up. I put the gain on the GoPro up to 12 because, like I said, every time I do it, well, talk, it sounds so low. So now I'm going to press the button and should turn the noise reduction on. And it's on. So let me see if it picks up less background noise and more of my voice. I see it going up to the yellow, but I'm talking now, so at least I know I can hear me. A little bit. Just a little bit. And let me put it low and it goes in front of me. See if you can still hear my voice good.
Have you guys heard any updates?
Just testing. Walking down 48th Street. It's not 48th Street, it's 46th Street, 47th Street. Right here by Rockefeller.
Am I trying to? I'm not.
Ooh. 5 guys here. But my lunch is sitting in my locker. So far down the block, I'm 2 minutes into this recording. How well does my voice sound? Am I still low? I'm not talking loud either, so I guess every time I turn my head away from the front of my shirt though, I think it goes down. So when I talk down, I don't. Okay, now the Bluetooth monitor is moving up and down. Maybe that thing is just not accurate. I don't know. But if I have my head up and I'm talking like this, put the camera up some more. If I'm talking like this, the meter is going up still. All right, good. Once I get to the end of the block, I'll stop it. Yeah, but I'm using this on the Edition 1 Pro. Yeah, so this is the Edition 1 Pro. The GoPro wireless transmitter, mic, using Bluetooth. I didn't want to get the receiver or the kit because I have so many microphones I don't really need it. And with the GoPro subscription, this was only $40. Alright, crossing the street. Get ready to close this video out. Brooklyn salute. The streets out here stink. But it's New York. You get what you get. But listen, I'm out.